folks. We are on our way. Hello, good morning. Listen to the Duramax. Woo! All right, here we go. We've got this, and we are going to be going and picking something up. So stay tuned. Alright folks, we are in Las Vegas. I haven't been filming because it was a long drive, but we are almost ready to secure the package that we came to pick up. So, stay tuned.
Our destination is on the right.
I hope I got that on camera. Rookie, get out of the road.
Yeah, it's gonna go.
That's not a good idea.
Alright folks, we got the package. We didn't film much picking it up, but I'm sure you've seen some footage because they filmed a little bit. But here is the new ride. 82 Chevy Blazer. That is what we just picked up in Vegas, and now we're gonna take it home. It's gonna be a fun little project. It's not really a project because it runs, it drives, everything works. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun with this thing. We're gonna do some comparisons, and we're gonna see how well these K5s are. But stay tuned. We have a problem. So we only have the driver key, or the ignition key, and well, we basically locked the doors. And so when we get home, we're gonna have to figure out how to unlock the doors because we can't get in it now. So we're gonna unlock the doors. We'll film a video, maybe showing us trying to do that. But in the meantime, stay tuned. I'll give you a little walk around of the whole thing. And remember, smile every single day, every morning, right when you get out of bed. That's the best time. But anyways, that's it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.